The Dawn of the Yoruba World, Reflections from Odu Baba Ejiogbe. In the beginning, Olódùmarè, the supreme creator in Yoruba mythology, observed the void of infinite darkness. Determined to fill this void, he created Orun, the sky, and over 400 deities, each tasked with different aspects of creating the earth. These deities descended to the nascent world using a divine chain, symbolizing their connection to the heavenly realm. As the deities began their work, the earth transformed. Vegetation sprouted, symbolizing the birth of life from the soil. Animals descended from the sky, populating the once barren land, showing the unity of the heavens and the earth. Olódùmarè then instructed Obatala, the deity of purity and light, to mold the human body from clay, representing the earth's natural elements. Following Obatala, Ogun, the deity of iron and war, crafted the skeleton, giving the body structure and strength. Olódùmarè himself then breathed life, or Ashé, into the form, infusing it with divine energy and vitality. Additionally, he placed Emi, his divine daughter representing the soul, into the human's heart, signifying the spiritual essence within all humans. The deities continued to shape the world. Shango, the deity of thunder, created the sun, bringing light and warmth to the earth. Olokun, ruler of the oceans, formed the vast and mysterious seas, representing the deep, unknown aspects of life. Oricha Oko used his sacred tool, the Osadi, to separate land from water, symbolizing agriculture and sustenance. Osayin, deity of herbalism, brought forth plants, essential for medicine and health. Oduduwa, a progenitor of the Yoruba people, filled the sky with birds and other creatures, symbolizing freedom and the spiritual connection to the heavens. Upon completion, the deities named the first human Orunmila, meaning sign of the sky, reflecting the divine origin of humanity. To align Orunmila's spiritual essence, or Ori, with the divine order, a sacred sacrifice of a catfish was offered, signifying the sustenance and sacrifice necessary for spiritual harmony. However, not all was serene. Olosi, representing the necessary counterpart to goodness, sought his realm and was granted the dark half of the earth by Olódùmarè. This duality introduced blessings, Ire, and misfortunes, Osogbo, into the world, highlighting the balance of positive and negative forces. To guide humanity, Orunmila established divine laws that respected the diverse cultures, languages, and traditions of the world's people. He emphasized the importance of harmonizing one's spirit with the divine order through sacrifices at nature's altars. These rituals ensured that divine blessings were distributed justly, not manipulated for selfish ends. Only those with pure intentions would receive the Ashé, or divine energy, of Olódùmarè. Across the earth, people revered fetishes, small altars representing parts of creation. These altars, dedicated to both light and dark forces, helped maintain balance and peace, allowing the divine order established by Olódùmarè to endure amidst a world of conflicts.